How to change name on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can change name on Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you want to change your name on Facebook, all you have to do is go ahead and then open the Facebook application here. Once you launch the Facebook app, you will see this type of interface where what you need to do is tap the three lines option here and then tap the gear icon from the top right. Once you've done that, what you want to do is go to see more in account center button. Then after that, just go to this option called profiles, and when you go to profiles, tap on Facebook, which is your Facebook account. Now tap on name, and all you have to do is just make sure to enter the name you want to change to. Then tap the review change option and your name will get successfully changed. This way you can change name on Facebook. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in the next video.